inferences come about as a result of reading a text, noting specific details, putting those details together to achieve a new understanding. The way the reading process works is you first look at the relevant details, list those specific textual details to figure out what they mean, the answer to the question, the inference. Now, there's a whole lot of magic that happens between here and here, and I think we need to break it down into 5 explicit instructional steps for our students. Read the text and, of course, ask the question, make sure they understand it. But then they need to list the relevant or related details, the details from the text that would help them to make the inference eventually. That step 3 is huge. Then they need to think about what they mean, the patterns, the relationships, how they go together. It's this thinking in step 4 that ultimately leads them to the inference.